Hey everyone, thanks for checking this out. So I have a question for everyone who watches, and hopefully someone will know the answer. So on eBay, I ordered this NES Classic Edition that doesn't power on, and I fully expected to get a fake one. I think that I did. I think the red color is a little off. Could be wrong. Obviously, it comes with the power button. I've been playing around with this, but the controller port numbers, those seem a little off. There's no serial down here. Um, this stuff looks good. Again, I'm not too sure. Uh, this stuff looks crooked here. The HDMI out, DC in, kind of looks a little off. Um, but so I thought it was fake. But when I opened it up, this board was inside, and I'm pretty positive that this is a legit board. This is actually the same board that you see, I believe, on iFixit's website. And I mean, it looks got legit markings as far as I can tell. Um, and yeah, but the other strange thing is this came with it as well, but it wasn't listed in the auction. And this just looks like some generic board. It's got no markings really. I don't know, like that. You Google that, it means nothing. And it doesn't. I mean, these two ports I assume are the controller ports, and I'm not gonna fit that. So I don't know why this is here. And then the other thing is, from what I understand, the clone systems, the LED for the power button is white. And now if I put my multimeter in diode mode, it'll throw voltage across it, and it should be enough to turn this little LED on. So I can show you what's going on. You can see it's a red LED. So I'm not sure what this is. Is it legit innards and a fake outside? Is this just maybe differences between the 2016 and 2018 models of the NES? Yeah, so if anyone has any information out there, it'd be much appreciated. And then hopefully I can also play around with this thing and fix it. So it's the ultimate goal. But all right, guys, thanks for checking this out. Uh, thanks in advance for any comments and information that can shed some light on my confusion. Thanks.